Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Kitten Face, and I'm gonna be fidget shopping, so let me get my basket. Okay guys, I found where they put the baskets. It's over here. So let's grab one, and let's go shopping. Wow, look at all these fidgets. Ooh, look, it's Jumbo Poppet. Oh, but that's a lot of money. I guess I can't get it. Oh, a water timer. I can get that. Oh, and the water snake. I can get this. Oh, let me pick that up. Put that in there. Okay, ooh, I've been wanting one of these. And it's $15.30. That's good. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's a snapper. A snapper is my dream. Oh my god. Oh my god, I did. It's only $10. Yes. I'm gonna put that in there. Okay, ooh, this. $4.99, $5. Okay, I'll get it. Oh, I did not see this. I'm gonna get it. I want this Poppet. Wait, that's my dream fidget. Oh my god. I can't believe I got this. Well, I'm going to get it. Definitely this. Okay, next is, oh, a bead ball. And it's, okay, it's only $9. Put that in the basket. Monkey noodles. I'm going to get these for a friend because my friend loves monkey noodles. I'll just get all of them. Okay, next we have pop tubes and marble meshes. A pink marble mesh, that's so cool. I'm gonna put that in. And the blue marble mesh. Oh my god, I gotta get that. Pop tube, red for my stepbrother, and blue for me. Next we have these and those. I'll get one for a friend, and that. Then we have this. Oh my god, I love this. Definitely gonna put that in. I'll get the color one, the black one, the purple one, and the orange one. Next we have these. I forgot what these were called. Oh right, puzzle balls. Sorry, that took me a minute to remember what they were called. Puzzle balls. Do I have to get both, or they are both for $10? Like $10 and $10. Or are they both for $10? I don't know. I'm just gonna get one of them. Oh my god, a mini snake is my dream. How much is it? Oh my god, I'm gonna get it. I can't believe this is my dream. Ooh, Neatos. Okay. I'm definitely getting these. Wait, let me check how much money I have in my pocket again. Oh wait, I have enough. I have enough. Oh my god, I can't believe I have enough. I have enough for this. I'm getting it. Yay, I got it. Okay, well, let's find the cash register. Okay, guys, I found the cash register. Lady, she's over here. And let me go grab my stuff. Okay, I got my stuff. Hi, ma'am. I want to buy all of this. How much will that be? For all this, okay. 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay, this will be $125. Let me ring it up. Okay. Beep. 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 Beep, 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 beep. 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 Beep, beep. 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 Beep, beep. 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 And beep. And beep. Okay, that will be $125, please. Can I pay with a squishmallow? Sure, I guess. Here you go. Oh, and do you wanna keep this for free? It's our limited edition fidget trading board. And nobody has wanted it, but do you want it? Oh yeah, sure. Thank you. Bye.